Okay, students, today we can learn how to develop front view and top view. A line is inclined to a straight line is inclined to both the planes in the engineering drawing. Okay, first we can take up this problem. This problem is from ND but example number 10.11. The top view of a 75 mm long line AB measures 65 mm, while the length of its front view is 50 mm. Its one end A is in the HP and 12 mm in front of the VP. Draw the projection of AB and determine its inclination with the HP and VP. Okay, first we have to draw the XY line, reference line, XY line. Once you draw the XY line, first you have to complete the particular end, line end is above HP or in front of the pit. That part should be completed first. In this case, it's AB line. It's one end A in the HP. So you take it a point. Let us assume this is the point A. Front A in the HP and 12 mm in front of the VP. So HP. So therefore 12 mm. Let us assume this is the 12 mm. So let us give the name. This is the A dash. This is the A. Once first you have to complete this part. Next you can go to the next part, whether that line is inclined to HP or some other, whatever it may be. So coming to this problem, the top view of a 75 mm long AB measures 65. A line length equal to 75. Its top view 65 mm, while its length of its front view is 50 mm. So line length 75 mm, its top view 65 mm. So therefore obviously that line is inclined to HP. Inclined to HP, and it is parallel to VP. Parallel to VP, so that this is the inclined to HP, so that you can get in the VP something like this. We don't know this angle. Its top is coming over here. You draw a horizontal line XY at A parallel to XY line. This is the opposite is the front view. Obviously, it is the top view. So therefore, this top view length is given. This we don't know. That is equal to 65. So therefore, from here to take this is the center A as a center, 65 mm radius. You cut it here. This is the 65 mm. This name equal to this is the B1. Okay. Once you fix the B1 at this point, you know in the front view the length of line equal to 75, so that here you draw a projector like this, then A1 as a center, 75 mm as a radius. You cut it this projector, so that this let us name this name equal to B1 dash. You join this one. This is the 75. Okay, 75. This angle we don't know. Let us say that theta 1. Of course, this is the vertical plane, front view. This is the horizontal plane, top view. Okay. Next, you draw a horizontal line parallel to XY. This is the locus line. Okay. Top is getting in VP. So therefore, A dash as a center, 50 as a radius. You cut it this line. This is the 50. Okay. At this line, at this point, this name is B2 dash. So again, A1 A dash B2 dash as a radius, A1 as a center. You draw a arc until it intersect until it intersect the locus point. So this is a locus point, so that this is the B point. You join this one. So this is a top view. This is the front view. When the line is inclined both the planes. So therefore this is also equal to 50. This is the front view when inclined to the line is inclined to both the planes. So you please try to understand. So this part is over. Then we know that when the line is inclined to both the planes, front view and B and B dash B in the top view, B dash in the front view, and it's B in the top view, they are in the same line. We know that relation. Vertical line, projector. Again you coming over here, A dash coming over here, A B1 as a radius, A as a center. From this it is a center, A B1 65 as a radius. You draw an arc. So therefore this is the point is automatically this point is becomes B. At this point you draw a line, locus line parallel to xy. Once B is set up, you join A and B. This line is this is the top view. This length equal to 65. This one equal to this one. This one equal to this one. Okay. If you want to cross check from here, then we have to draw the top view of length 75. So that we know that this is the front view of a line inclined to VP. So therefore you draw a projector until it intersects this locus point. This point is B2. Then you can join this one, A and B2. This is the top view. This is the angle equal to theta 2. Okay. I once again explain, you can understand here. So therefore here this length equal to this one. They are constant. This length equal to this one. This length equal to this one. Okay, I think all are developed. Okay, from this figure, you can understand one thing. Please try to understand. Where line is first, when the line is inclined to both the planes, in that condition we don't get true length of that line either in VP or HP. So that first we can draw the where it gets true length, or HP or VP. First to start that with that point. In this problem 75 long, it's a top view. It is the 65 A B1. It is the known length. Front view, this is also known length. First you have to draw the in front of or above the HP, those lines, those part to be completed. This is the on the A point is on the HP and in front of the VP, 12 mm in front of the VP. So that I find first I set up A dash and A. This is the front view and this is the top view. At this you draw XY line. Obviously this line is the inclined to HP. This is the front view. It's the top view equal to this one, A B1. The line is inclined to HP VP. This is the top view. A B2. This is the front view equal to this one, this one A B2 dash, A B2 dash. This one and this one is a given. This one and this one is a given. So from this, by using these two things, we have to develop this problem. So that it is the top view. I have to set up this 65 length, cut it here, over it here. I draw a projector here. This is the 75 length, A to A1, A dash as a center, 75 as a radius. You cut it here. This is a projector. There you draw a locus line parallel to xy line. Here you coming next you coming to here. This is the 50. This is the front view. You draw front view when it is inclined to VP, when it line is inclined to VP. So this front view is draw an arc until it cuts this locus line. This point is B dash. So you join A dash and B dash. You can get the front view, this length equal to 50 and 50. This front view is when it is a line is inclined to both the planes. That is over. Next you coming to that top view. So we know that this is the point. This is the top view, front view when it is inclined to VP. When it is inclined to VP, is the top view. It is the front view. So that this from here you draw an vertical line. Here, once you draw this front view, when line is inclined to both the planes, so obviously we know that this point and front view B dash and in the top view B, they are in the same line. They should be in the same line. So you draw a projector perpendicular to xy line. Then A B1 as a radius, you draw an arc. This is the cut it this vertical line. This is the point is B. At this point, you draw a locus point. You join this A and B. This is the top view. This is the length equal to 65. This is also 65. Then at A as a center, 75 as a radius, line length. You cut this locus. You can get the B2. You join this one. This is the top view. So that we can measure this theta 1 and theta 2. We can get the inclination of line inclined to HP and VP.